start. In view of the position indicated in the judgment mentioned, it is obviously essential that whatever orders of a quasi judicial nature are passed under the Punjab Civil Services Rules 1952 or any other rules or acts should invariably the sufficiently detailed ones and should indicate inter alia the pleas taken by the employees concerned and the reason on account of which they are considered unsatisfactory and are rejected. Stop. The detailed reasons may, however, either be set out in the orders themselves or may, as an alternative, be included in an annexure with the order. Stop. It will be appreciated that the matter is of great importance because if orders are not passed in the correct form as required under the law, decisions will be given against the government in such cases which will involve heavy financial liability and also raise administrative difficulties. Stop. It is therefore requested that these instructions should be compiled with strictly and should be brought specifically to the notice of all the authorities concerned for similar compliance by them. It may be added that in the event of failure to follow the instructions, a very serious view of the matter will be taken by the government. Stop. It should be appreciated that this matter is of great importance and any failure in this regards an authority exercising quasi judicial functions may result in reversal of the decisions in the court of law resulting in financial liability and also administrative difficulty for the state government. Stop. It is therefore requested that these instructions and the instructions stop issued wide Haryana government letter number dated 9/4/71 referred to above should be compiled with strictly and should be brought specifically to the notice of all concerned for similar compliance by them. Stop. It may be added that in the event of failure to follow the instructions, a very serious view of the matter will be taken by the government. Stop. Over.